Hey everyone, welcome to Security. I want to introduce you to this platform called ActiBox, or in short, we call it HTB. So, this ActiBox, you are going to be giving us servers and machine for us to perform penetration testing on, instead of we trying to penetrate into someone else's site and causing havoc. So they will give us a machine for us to hack and test our skill on, and for us to upgrade and learn from what we are able to attack. So this is this is the platform. This is app.hackthebox.com. So um, firstly, as a beginner, I think I have to take you through the normal sign up. Let me open a new window. Then the domain is app.hackthebox.com. So and this redirect us to a platform at the box login. So I think 2 months ago it was not like that. We were having different subdomain for each. There is academy.hackthebox and others. So I think now they integrated everything in just in one. So if you are signing up, you sign in into ActiBox, then to redirect you to app.actibox. So I think it's just a way of them to make things simpler. So um, to take us through the page of login, having some internet service provider issue. Um, Trying to load fast. Oh shit. So this on the platform. This the signing page. You can click on get started. If you click on get started, it will take you to the place where you register. You can register with your LinkedIn, or you can register with Google. Then to tell you to put some informations that are you a student and some other things. So you just put it. I don't want to take you through the sign up, because I'll have to put in some personal information which I don't want to give out, and I don't want to use a kind of fake um, Gmail, because it's not ID for you to use all that. So you create your account, and you should know it will just take you through. It's very simple. It just take you through the step in which you are going to use to sign up. So then when you log in, it will take you through this. It will bring you here. So at the box, this is the platform. Then now what we are doing first as a beginner is starting point. So once we are a beginner, we don't know anything yet. I think this, if you are coming here, everything will look so confusing. So don't worry, we are going to touch everything during our video in the playlist. So what we are doing first, let's click on starting point. So in this starting point, I've been able to do 55% of the tax, but let's go down. Let's go down. Let me kind of now you can see in this place, um, they gave us four machines, free machines, but then others are VIP. So in this VIP, you either pay $14 or $25. So the $14 you have a premium, then $24 you have an advanced kind of feature. So so first we are going to do this for first, then we pay for this later. We pay for this in our video. We are going to do this starting this all the starting points here first. So let's move on. Now, learning the basis of penetration testing. So, learning outcome. In this first trial, you gain essential skill in the world of cybersecurity pen testing. Now, in this one, they are giving us a guided mode. That means step by step. Okay, they give you a machine that has an IP address of 10.10.2.5. Then they will not tell you that, they will not be asking you a question at the bottom like, how are you going to check if the server is alive? Then you have to put in the answer, put in ping, Then what tool are you going to check? What tool are you going to use to check for ports that are opened on the server? To ask you all that. Then step by step guided mode. They call it a guided mode. But if you click on these machines, they will just give you an IP address for you to hack, and they will tell you to give them. They'll have put in a flag. You understand? So just CTF. So that CTF is just like they put in a text file that has some codes, some random codes in that server. So if you have gained access to that server, so you're able to see those codes, then you copy it and you submit it. So that's just an assurance for them to know that you have intruded into the server and you have been able to hack the server. So um so in this place, you learn how to connect FTP, learn how to use Nmap 25 port, learn how to connect on MongoDB server. So what we do first is we click on this meow. We are going to be solving this meow. Meow is just the name of the server they gave the server, so you can see it's very easy. So the mode is very easy. There's very easy, there is medium, and there's difficult. I think hard or difficult. So they will give us a server, which is meow. So now to connect to the server, to attack the target machine, you must be on the same network. So I think in this the server, I think it uses a private IP address, which you have to be on the same network with that server. So in order for us to be on same network, you can use a virtual. They'll give us a virtual machine. That is using PNW pawn box. So they give us a separate virtual machine. But if you want to enjoy the virtual machine, you have to be on premium, because they are giving us free 2 hours of pawn box. So if you're on premium, it's unlimited access. So I imagine you are hacking and the virtual machine does off. So you won't be able to enjoy, because penetrating a server will take time, because it's creativity. It's not about how they taught you, but how you can be able to um, uh, um, think with your brain. Yes. So now we can also use connect using OpenVPN. So connect using OpenVPN. Just OpenVPN is a VPN. Is an open source VPN in which you are going to use. It's just like a bridge. So just a bridge that will connect us the to the server machine. To the server machine. So in this connect using OpenVPN. So it's just like a bridge that connects us from um can connect us that connect we and the server together for us to communicate, because without it we can't be able to communicate with this machine. So kind of having issues with my ISP. Then what do we do next? Now we have to connect our machine. You can see this place is red. I say connect to HTTP is red. So we can't be able to communicate with the machine. So if they give us a machine an IP address of this mail now, we'll not be able to communicate. If we ping it, it will not be alive. We are going to do that. So what we do first is let's click on connect using OpenVPN. So connect using OpenVPN, we'll be able to use our system as I use your own machine for hacking. Download your VPN configuration and connect from your own environment. So we can use our tool, anything. So far we are connected to the VPN, we can use our machine to hack the MAU server. So connect using OpenVPN. Click on connect using OpenVPN. Let me sort of reload my Okay. Um, Now let's connect using OpenVPN. Then it will give us EU. That you want to let your OpenVPN be in Europe, or you want it to be in the US. So I'll choose Europe. Anyone is your choice. You can choose US. You can choose Europe. Then I'll be using a TCP 443 using this TCP protocol. This is a connection level protocol. I had issue with UUDP because there were sometimes I was testing, I was solving some machines. Then I want to send a shell to the server. Then the UDP will not be able to send the full the full shell to the server. Then to tell me that sending is not complete, like the logs of the VPN sending is not complete. But I prefer TCP because it will make sure everything is sent to that to the server. So I'll choose TCP. So TCP I'll choose 443. Then I'll download the VPN. Then now you go to your downloads. If you go to your download, you'll be able to see your configuration file. These are configuration file. That's starting point anonymous where's OVPN. So it'll be starting point your username dot OVPN. So if we have downloaded it, what we'll do next is we'll go to our terminal. We'll go to our terminal. Then let me increase the view. Then we'll install OpenVPN on our Kali. So sudo apt get install OpenVPN. So this OpenVPN will be installed. This is the command you use to install OpenVPN in your Kali. So what do we do next? We'll cd into our downloads. That means you are changing directory to your downloads. Then you be in your downloads, in your download folder. Then you list. So for us to confirm that it is there, our starting point anonymous OVPN. Then how to connect? We just type sudo openvpn, then starting point anonymous where's.ovpn. So you complete it, then you click enter. Then it should be able to connect. Then when it shows something like this, please don't close the terminal. If you close the terminal, the VPN connection will off. And you can see, if you are using Kali, you'll be able to see something like a padlock here. If you say 10.10.16.72, that means the IP address of our the IP address of our OpenVPN. Then also to confirm again, we can open another terminal. Click on IPA. Then you're able to see your 2.0, that is 10.10.16.72. 10.10.16.72. So you can see that's 2.0, that you are using a tunnel. I think tunnel 0. I think you are using a 10.10.16.72. So what do we do next? We are connected already. Now if you go to your browser back, you can see it's green already. You can see it has turned to green from red. Then let's go up. You can see it has marked it connect to the target machine and be on the same network. It has marked it as green. Then now what we do next is spawn machine. Click on spawn machine. That's want to get the IP address of meow. So click on it. So we wait for a while for it to give us an IP address of meow. And this meow is what we'll be attacking on in our next video. We'll be showing you step by step on how to solve the box, solve the server. So wait for a while. There's some issue. I'm going to pause this video and um, I'll wait till when the IP address shows up. So it has given us an IP address which is 10.129.222.29. So let's check if this IP address is alive. Then you can click on it twice just to copy it. So let's open another terminal. Open another terminal. Then I ping. I paste it. Then you can see that we'll be able to send a request to the server and it's giving us a reply back. We send an ICMP packet to the server. So this is just to confirm for us that the server is alive. And we can be able to connect to it. So let's try to off our VPN and check if we can connect to the server back. Then let's press Ctrl C. We should stop it. Then I'll try to reload here. Then you can see it's right back. Then now let's try to connect again. Let's type our ping and paste our IP address. You can see that we are not able to connect to the server again because we are not connected to the VPN, the bridge which connects us from the server to our place. So that is it. So thank you very much. We are going to be solving this box in our next video. We are going to be solving it. You can see that this is a guided mode. The tool we used to test it, was the name of the common tools for finding open ports and so many things. Then to tell us to submit root flag. So this is just guided mode. So thank you very much. Then our next video we are going to be attacking meow. Just a cat. Meow. So thank you very much and subscribe for more.